This is the picture from the good old time of Ilkirch GRAFFENSTADEN. By this time it was called GRAFFENSTADEN. The company was starting here. All this side here was the company, and this is the, let's say, city. What we can find as funny stuff is this train line still exists. Now it's a tramway line, and in this line you can see steam trains under construction because the company was producing steam train by this time also. This is still existing. This is still a company producing a pinion gearbox and mechanical reductors. This, of course, has been moving. Another funny stuff is Apotheke is still existing today. It's new building first, but it's the same location. And all these buildings are, of course, modernized from now, because this is a handmade drawing from 1895. So a long, long time ago. And here you can see the different jobs of the company. So it was foundry, stamping shop, machining shop, assembly shop, test shop. And what we were producing here was machine tool and steam trains in the same time. And so all what was necessary for doing machine tool and steam trains was produced here. Foundry, forging, steel production, electricity generation by the steam and by the river. So this was called the GRAFFENSTADEN, and this gave the name to the city, Ilkirch GRAFFENSTADEN. So the company gave the name to the city because the company was much bigger than the city itself. Now, of course, the city is much greater, and the company is not here anymore. The company has moved to Esho, where we are today, and we can display this today. So this is one of the assets of the company, and it was in the offices, and we put it here in the workshop for the today grand opening ceremony. Here you can see some historical figures and main steps of the company. Starting by the beginning, we were doing small stuff as machine for watch industry. And from the watch industry, we went to the clock industry, where it was the big beginning of the company for the clock of the Cathedral of Strasbourg Center. Then it has been moving from different stages, going to the steam train for the trains and for the tramway lines. Then machine tool building. Then it has been different merging. One with Huron company, and the Huron company in GRAFFENSTADEN company is basically where the today name is coming from. As Huron GRAFFENSTADEN is coming from Léon Huron, and GRAFFENSTADEN company merging into Huron GRAFFENSTADEN. Another interesting stuff is the first CNC machine worldwide was made in here in 1950. We carried on doing some mergers with different companies. Then in 2007, we have been acquired by the group of Jyoti, which is our 100% shareholder today. And today the merger between Jyoti and Huron GRAFFENSTADEN is 100% complete. Big inauguration 2025, the new production plant where we are today. And in 2 days we do the grand opening. Right now we have a big exhibition for schools, students, universities to show what the industry is, to push the students, pupils to go for industry training, because we have to feed our mechanical industry with new generations. This is why we call this the Week of Industry. And on the next 3 days, we will receive about 800 students, college guys, to see what a machine tool is, to see what different type of jobs they can find in the industry for the future. So welcome in our new plant.